Last year on Valentine's Day, I was the mom who completely forgot to get anybody anything. So when I went to school to pick up my children, everybody in the class had given them a nice Valentine. I had not done anything. So this year, I'm redeeming myself and I'm going to show you the cutest little Valentines that you can make to have your children bring to school. Because that's what they do, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm new at this.
Okay.
You will need the following things. Scissors, cardstock. It's just thick of paper. It's just thick of paper.
Construction paper?
It's just construction. It says cardstock. I don't know. Okay. I have some metallic pins. You could use Sharpies. I'm sure you have some pins around the house.
I like those pins. You might get taken.
You're not taking them.
I'm taking them.
This is called washi tape. Why is it called washi tape? It says washi. I kept calling it wasabi tape. Please put that pin back.
I'm gonna just see.
Then you're gonna need some kazoos. Now, I found these in the party section of Argit. And these are little party favors that you can give people who come to your birthday party, and all of these came in one pack. So apparently, when your kids are in daycare, you're supposed to bring Valentine's Day cards. I didn't know that. Did you know that?
I mean, usually you want to do something for the kids. I mean,
well,
cupcakes, little heart-shaped candies.
Well, I messed up. Now I'm going to redeem myself. So, Valentine's Day, and then we'll put Tyson, and then here's where I'm going to make it make sense that we have a kazoo. So the reason that I bought these were, one, they came in a huge pack and they were very inexpensive. Two, they were cute. And three, I didn't want to buy any crap unless it was really crap, and kazoos are really crap, so I would not feel bad throwing this away or recycling it. If my daughter came home with this and I was like, oh good, wouldn't feel the least bit bad. Okay, happy Valentine's Day, Tyson, and then I'm gonna put kazoo are special. Get it? And then you're just gonna use your washi tape. How cute is that? Mm-hmm. And then you make one for everybody in the class. And then they take a little kazoo. What's the matter?
I think it's a great idea.
It's cute.
How much did that cost again?
In the event that you do not want to be extra, which is totally fine, I just feel like I need to make up this year since I mean, parents are like, oh, there's Mrs. Benzie. You can also buy these. These were $5, and these are just, and then you just put it in their thing.
Okay,
I wish you the best of luck. Just don't forget like I did that one year. Or do and say, F it, I don't care. I'm just that parent who forgets. Whatever.